How to fix NFL Sunday Ticket black screen. If you're getting a black screen while trying to watch NFL Sunday Ticket on PC, then that's a very common problem many people are seeing, especially on certain apps or platforms. Here's what you can try to fix it. Use a supported browser or device. Sometimes streaming fails if the browser is outdated or web player compatibility is broken. Try switching to another modern browser. Disable content filters, ad blockers, VPN proxy, or firewall interfaces. Blocking software or custom network filtering sometimes prevent the stream from loading. If the streaming app or site is outdated, bugs can occur. So, signing out or signing in or reinstalling often helps. Additionally, also check for your network connection. A poor or unstable connection can cause streams to fail. That's why switch to a stable Wi-Fi or wired connection if possible. Also avoid browser extensions or custom network settings. That's all for today. Thank you.